Check this lovely van out. Today's new arrival, it's a Citroen Dispatch. It's a 6-seater, it's the crew van, it's the Enterprise model, it's long wheelbase and it's finished in a colour. It's lovely metallic grey. I'm just going to show you inside this one. It's going live onto the website today. It's 11950+Vat. Great value for money. Now inside the cab it's got all the spec. You've got your aircon, you've got your cruise control, it's all touchscreen, 6-speed. You've got all your electric pack, USB points inside the back. It's ply lined out in the rear. It's immaculate inside. It looks like it's been carrying pillows. Just take a look inside the back there. What a lovely genuine example. Where do you find these? As I say, they generally come, they're in short wheelbase. This is the long wheelbase, so it's really, really nice van. Ideal family van or day van, crew van, factory crew van. What a lovely example. You can finance this van from £250 a month. We can deliver it anywhere in the country. We'll MOT it, we'll service it. If you like the vehicle, get in touch, speak to Chris. Thanks for watching.